Regal traffic, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec is going to back taxi to runway 31 at Regal. Okay, good to go. Regal traffic, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec, departing on runway 31 at Regal. There we go. Airspeed's coming alive, right rudder, everything's in the green. Go to 4,500.
Traffic, Cherokee 4526 X-ray, departing traffic area to the west, Colorado traffic.
Regal traffic, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec is just off runway 31 for westbound departure, Regal traffic. Harrisburg approach, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec.
Skyhawk 2844 Quebec, Harrisburg approach.
Harrisburg approach, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec is just off Regal Airport at 2,300 for 4,500. I'd like to pick up flight following up to University Park Airport via the Harrisburg VOR.
Skyhawk 2844 Quebec, Harrisburg approach, Roger, stand by. Skyhawk 2844 Quebec, radar contact 3 miles west of Donegal Springs, of Regal Airport, and climbing to VFR requested altitude, proceed on course.
Roger, just off of Regal on 4,500, proceed on course for 2844 Quebec.
44 Quebec, the altimeter is 3057, just verify you're leaving 3700 now.
Roger, 3,900 right now for 44 Quebec.
Okay. Skyhawk 44 Quebec, contact approach 124.1.
Contact approach at 124.1. Harrisburg approach, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec with you, 4,600.
2844 Quebec, Harrisburg approach, Harrisburg altimeter 3057, good afternoon.
Altimeter 3057, good afternoon, 44 Quebec.
The 672, you're 4 miles from Tiffany. Maintain VFR, practice ILS 8 approach approved.
Practice 8 approach approved, S672.
44 Quebec, contact New York Center on 134.8.
New York Center on 134.8, 44 Quebec.
We're just going to maintain 7,000.
New York Center, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec with you at 4,500.
2844 Quebec, New York Center, Roger, University Park, altimeter 3055. Is that when you have the current native to University Park?
New York Center, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec has a field in sight, switching over to University Park Airport, 44 Quebec.
2844 Quebec, radar service terminated, squawk 1200, frequency change approved, see ya. Traffic, 70 uniform.
University Park, Cherokee 56 November, just turned north after departing runway 25.
Cherokee 56 November, roger, report leaving the Delta, traffic's the Warrior on base runway 24 at University Park.
56 November.
University Park Tower, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec.
Skyhawk 2844 Quebec, University Park Tower, Romeo's current say intentions.
We'd like to come in for a full stop. We are 8 miles to the southeast at 4,100. Quebec.
November 44 Quebec, roger. Proceed to the departure in downwind for runway 24. You're number 3, following another Cessna 172 entering left midfield downwind.
Roger, follow the left downwind to runway 24 for 44 Quebec.
November 44 Quebec, say position, altitude?
4 miles to the south of the field, and we are 3,200.
4 miles south, roger, enter left traffic. Traffic to follow a Warrior left crosswind, turn and left base.
Following traffic on the left crosswind, entering left downwind for runway 24.
Yeah, affirmative. The Warrior's entering the left downwind now, sorry.
Roger, left downwind, we're looking. 44 Quebec. And University Park Tower, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec has traffic in sight.
44 Quebec, roger, follow that traffic. 24, report established downwind midfield.
Report downwind, follow traffic to 24 for 44 Quebec.
Roger, have him in sight, and we're going to start our base here shortly. We'll make sure he's clear before we touch down.
Copy. Skyhawk 44 Quebec, if you want to cut it in, the Warrior is going to be making the left base shortly.
Roger, returning downwind right now for 24 for 44 Quebec.
Copy. November 44 Quebec, base to follow, Warrior short final runway 24, runway 24 clear to land.
Runway 24 clear to land for 44 Quebec.
Uh, 337, just give me a general direction when you come off of 24, what direction to be heading.
Sorry about that. Cessna 1337 will be departing to the west.
To the west, copy that.
Tower 70 uniform, we are midfield, and this will be full stop.
70 uniform, roger, traffic over the numbers, runway 24, clear to land.
Have traffic in sight, clear to land, 70 uniform.
Skyhawk 337, hold short 24, you can expect to go after the guy midfield downwind.
Cessna 1337 is going to hold short of 24 and wait for the midfield traffic.
University Park Tower, Skyhawk 284 Quebec is ready for departure.
Seven 1-8, Charlie Charlie calling ground, standby 1. Skyhawk 44 Quebec Tower, you looking to go?
Roger, looking to depart on 24.
November 44 Quebec, Roger, on departure, proceed on course, runway 24 clear for takeoff.
Roger, runway 24 clear for takeoff, and can we have flight following back to 58 November?
Yeah, we'll get you that in the air, stand by.
Roger, thank you for 44 Quebec.
Aircraft calling on University ground, taking your call sign. 718 Charlie ground, go ahead.
All clear, all clear.
And Charlie, confirm this is all VFR, correct? I don't have a flight pen in for you.
Five.
Alright, copy, no worries, just want to make sure I didn't miss one. Runway 24, taxi via Charlie Alpha, hold short 24. Number 44 Quebec, contact New York Center 134.8 for flight following, they'll pick you up.
New York Center 134.8 for flight following, 44 Quebec, thank you.
Aircraft out of University Park at 4200, you calling?
Roger, we'd like to pick up flight following to 58 November for 44 Quebec.
Give me your full call sign.
2844 Quebec.
I need your full call sign.
Sorry, November 2844 Quebec, Skyhawk.
I'm gonna need all three of those things at once.
Sorry, buddy.
Aircraft out of University Park, give me your call sign, type of aircraft and destination.
New York Center, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec, just off University Park for 58 November.
And what did you say your type was?
Cessna Skyhawk, sorry, student pilot.
Okay. And I'm gonna need your destination one more time.
We'll be traveling to 58 November via the Harrisburg VOR.
284 Quebec, walk 4246 and IDAN.
4246 and IDAN.
November 284 Quebec, contact Harrisburg approach 124.1.
Harrisburg approach on 124.1, 44 Quebec, thank you.
Yeah.
Harrisburg approach, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec is 34 miles northwest of the Harrisburg VOR at 5,500, 44 Quebec.
Skyhawk 2844 Quebec, Harrisburg approach, Harrisburg altimeter 3057, advise prior to any altitude changes.
Roger, advise any altitude changes, 44 Quebec.
Skyhawk 844 Quebec, just verify you're going to Regal.
Roger, we're going to Regal for 44 Quebec.
Roger, restricted air 5802 is active, maintain VFR present altitude, let me know when you're ready to descend.
Roger, we'll let you know for 44 Quebec. Harrisburg approach, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec. We're going to begin our descent into Regal for 44 Quebec.
Skyhawk 44 Quebec, Roger. You can start your VFR descent. Maintain VFR at or above 3,500 for now.
Maintain VFR at or above 3,500 for 44 Quebec.
Skyhawk 44 Quebec, you can continue to VFR descent. Radar services are terminated. Squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, Squawk VFR for 44 Quebec, and I'm clear to go below 3,500, correct?
Affirmative.
Roger, thank you, 44 Quebec. Shit. Please tell me those birds aren't coming over here.
That is downwind, they're beating the numbers.
Regal traffic, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec, centering left downwind, runway 31 at Regal. And there's more above me, great. Great. Alright. Regal traffic, Skyhawk 2844 back. We're going to extend this downwind for runway 31 at Regal.
Vegas traffic, Skyhawk 137.
Once I get around this,
4 miles in from the north, inbound for landing, runway.
Alright. Regal traffic, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec, turning left base, runway 31, Regal. Alright. Turn final.
Harbor traffic, 95 Quebec, turning crosswind, runway 28.
Hurts.
Carlisle traffic, Cherokee 26 X-ray is on final for runway 28.
That's better.
Carlisle traffic.
Regal traffic, Skyhawk 2844 Quebec's on final, runway 31 at Regal.
Harbor traffic, 95 Quebec, turning downwind, runway 28.
Alright, that's high enough. And we're down.